Viewers, right now I'm standing in front of a primary school. As you can see that the name of this primary school is Chor Nanokati Soy Hisha Government Primary School. As you can see that it's established in 2018. You can see, and there is two-story building, and other buildings is one-story building. It also primary school, but this building is, it has been broken. All the parts has been broken, but the authority of this government try to use this classroom, this room as a classroom. As far as I can see that I can see some students or some boys in this locality have come here to enjoy my video. As you can see that, but I will ask them some question about World Cup. Football is going on everywhere. We know that, right? But the people of Bangladesh support Argentina and Brazil, most of the people in our country. But I will ask you some question. তোমরা কোন দল সাপোর্ট করো?
আর্জেন্টিনা।
কিছু তোমরা আর্জেন্টিনা, ব্রাজিল, আর্জেন্টিনা। So the people said that most of the people support Brazil and some people support Argentina in this present people. But two boys are holding the flag of Bangladesh. As you can see that the flag of Bangladesh. I love my flag because I am Bangladeshi. I love my country very much. So this flag is a small flag, but its significance is very, very big. And I am totally unable to describe its significance. I love my flag. You also love your flag because it is our flag, right?
Right.
So guys, in a public place, this is a playground. You can see that this is a small playground, and it's in front of the primary school. There is a banyan tree. As you can see that there is a big banyan tree and big ren tree. The field, the big ren tree totally covered by the branches of the ren tree. Every students can get shade by this ren tree. In front of the primary school, there is a two-story mosque. As you can see that in the tiffin period, the student of this primary school or local people in this area, they can perform Johar prayer or 5 times prayer in this mosque. So guys, I am really happy to come this place. So thank you very much.